Hello students, today we are going to discuss angles and their measurements. Angles. Angle is a measure of rotation of a given ray about its initial point. Here is some definition you can see. Now see this diagram. In this diagram, O is initial side and OB is terminal side. If we rotate initial side anti-clockwise, then we get positive angle. See second diagram. In this, O is initial side and OB is terminal side. If we rotate terminal side clockwise, then it is called negative angle. Degree measure. 1 degree. What is 1 degree? 1 by 90th part of a right angle is called 1 degree. Written as 1 degree. A 1 by 90th part means if we take a right angle, just see, this is right angle, and divide this right angle into 90 equal parts. How many parts? 90 equal parts. We can't draw, this is very small space. So each part is called 1 degree. 1 minute. अब ये 1 मिनट आपको वॉच वाला मिनट नहीं है, दिस इज स्मॉल यूनिट ऑफ डिग्री. 1 by 60th part of a degree is called 1 minute. It means अगर हम 1 डिग्री को अगर इक्वल 60 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करें, देन ईच पार्ट इज कॉल्ड 1 मिनट. 1 सेकेंड. 1 by 60th part of a minute is called 1 second. यानी जो सेकंड है वो मिनट से भी स्मॉल यूनिट्स है. अगर अपन 1 मिनट को इक्वल 60 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करें, देन ईच पार्ट इज कॉल्ड 1 सेकेंड. अब नाउ वी डिस्कस द सिंबल्स. डिग्री के लिए तो हम क्या करते हैं, स्मॉल जीरो लगाते हैं, सभी को मालूम है. और फॉर मिनट वी यूज ओनली स्मॉल डैश, 1 डैश. 1 डैश मीन्स मिनट. 1 डिग्री इक्वल टू 60 मिनट एंड 1 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 60 second. Or we can write direct relation between degree and second also. 1 degree is equal to 60 into 60 means 3600 second. So this is direct relation between degree and seconds. Radian measure. In a circle of radius r, an arc of length l subtends an angle theta radian at the center, that is theta equal to L upon R और L equal to R theta. और ये जो रिलेशन आप फिजिक्स के अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे. अब नाउ सी इन दिस फिगर, OB is a radius and AB is a length of arc. It is denoted by L. Then AB makes an angle theta radian at center, means theta equal to L upon R. Please, this is a very important remark. In the above formula, theta is always measured in radian. जब भी आप ये फार्मूला यूज करेंगे तो थीटा की वैल्यू क्या रखेंगे, रेडियंस के टर्म में लिखेंगे. अब नाउ वी डिस्कस 1 रेडियन. इफ L equal to R means length of arc is equal to radius, then theta equal to 1 radian. Means this length of radius OB is equal to length of arc AB. If both are equal, then center angle is 1 radian. If length of arc is 2 times of radius, then we get 2 radian. If L equal to 3R, then we get 3 radian. Similarly, circumference of circle is how much? 2 pi R. Then tell me center angle. Then this center angle is 2 pi R upon R, means 2 pi radian. Relation between degree measure and radian measure. Now this is a circle. Let radius of this circle is small r. Then tell me the circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. Then center angle is L upon R. So total circumference is 2 pi R upon R. So center angle is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. But we all know center angle is 360 degree. It means both are equal. Means 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Means pi radian is equal to, for radian we can use this symbol also. So pi radian is equal to 360 upon 2 means 180 degree. Please take care, pi radian means 180 degree और only pi कहीं भी आएगा, then we write 22/7. From this formula we can calculate 1 radian. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. Then 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degree. अभी जो डिग्री सिंबल है, पावर नहीं है, 180 अपॉन पाई डिग्री. और फ्रॉम सेम फॉर्मूला वी कैन राइट 1 डिग्री इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन. देन 1 डिग्री इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन अपॉन 180. So these are two important results for this chapter, this exercise. 1 degree is equal to pi radian upon 180 and 1 radian is equal to 180 degree upon pi. Now another unit of measurement, grade. 90 degree equal to 100 grade. जैसे होता है ना 1 degree equal to pi radian upon 180. Similarly 90 degree equal to 100 grade means 1 degree equal to 100 upon 90 grade or 1 grade equal to 90 upon 100. Let's do some practice question. Question number 1. Find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measures. So first we'll do first part. Convert 25 degree into radian measure. We all know 1 degree equal to pi radian upon 180. So 25 degree is equal to 1 degree equal to pi upon 180, 2 degree equal to 2 pi upon 180, 3 degree equal to 3 pi upon 180. So use unitary method. So 25 degree is equal to 25 into pi upon 180 and radian. अब now cancel. 5 5 जा 25 and 36 5 जा 180. So next step we get 5 pi radian upon 36. Now second part, minus 47 degree and 30 minute. Convert into radian measure. अब माइनस साइन इज नथिंग, ओनली क्या डायरेक्शन को बता रहा है कि जो एंगल मेजर किया हमने कैसे मेजर किया है, क्लॉकवाइज मेजर किया है. अब इसको कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप चाहे तो इसको ऐसे ब्रेक करके लिख सकते हैं. माइनस साइन ब्रैकेट के बाद लिख दिया 47 डिग्री एंड प्लस 30, यहाँ पे 30 मिनट है, सॉरी इसको हम करेक्ट कर लेते हैं. मिनट. अब 47 डिग्री 30 मिनट, 30 मिनट को अपन को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, डिग्री में. 1 डिग्री इक्वल टू 60 मिनट, देन 30 मिनट इक्वल टू 30 अपॉन 60 डिग्री. अब नाउ सिंप्लीफाई, माइनस, अब 30/60 इसको हम कैंसिल कर देते हैं, 31 जा 30 एंड 32 जा 60, सो 1/2 डिग्री. अब 47 डिग्री प्लस 1/2 डिग्री, सो 47 टू जा 94 प्लस 1 95 अपॉन 2 डिग्री. अब नाउ कन्वर्ट इनटू रेडियन मेजर, सो इज इक्वल टू माइनस 95/2 इंटू पाई रेडियन अपॉन 180, because 1 degree equal to pi radian upon 180. अब now cancel with 19 5 जा 95 and 36 5 जा 180, so we get minus 19 pi radian upon 36 2 जा 72. अब now question third part, 240 degree. This is homework, please do at home. Okay, this is your homework. Next problem, find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measures. First question is -4. Sorry, first part, -4 is equal to -4 into, अब convert radian measure into degree measure, so multiply with 180 upon pi degree. Since 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. Next step, minus 4 into 180 upon pi means 22 upon 7, so multiply 7 with numerator. अब now cancel, 2 2 जा 4 and 11 2 जा 22, so is equal to minus 7 2 जा 14, 14 0 0 and 14 into 18, 14 8 जा 112 and 14 1 जा 14 और 11, 2520 डिग्री अपॉन 11. अब now divide 2520 by 11. 2520 divided by 11. 11 2 जा 22, we get 3. Now 32. 11 2 जा 22, now left 10, 100. 11 9 जा 99, so remainder is 1 degree. अब we can't divide 1 degree by 11, so convert degree into minute, so 1 degree equal to 60 minute. अब now divide 60 minute by 11. 11 5 जा 55, so we get 5 minute. अब we can't divide 5 minute by 11, so convert 5 minute into second, so 5 6 जा 30, so we get 300 second. अब now divide 300 second by 11, so 11 2 जा 22 and 11 7 जा 80, 11 7 जा 77, so remainder is 3 second, and second is very small unit, we can't divide by 11, so okay, leave it. So final answer is minus 229 degree 5 minute and 27 second. This is approximate. Second and third part homework. If in two circles, arcs of the same length subtend angle 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. यानी हमको रेडियस में रेशियो फाइंड करना है. So first let radii of two circles be R1 and R2. Now angle is given. Angle of first circle θ1 equal to 60 degree. जब भी हम फार्मूला यूज करते हैं तो एंगल किस में होना चाहिए? रेडियन में. सो कन्वर्ट 60 डिग्री इंटू रेडियन मेजर. सो 60 डिग्री इक्वल टू 60 इंटू पाई अपॉन 180 रेडियन. अब नाउ कैंसिल करो. 60 1 जा 60, 63 जा 180. सो वी गेट पाई रेडियन अपॉन 3. और नॉर्मली इसको हम पाई अपॉन 3 लिखेंगे. रेडियन बहुत सारे जने नहीं लिखते हैं, बुक में भी लिखा नहीं मिलेगा, पर वी अंडरस्टूड दिस इज पाई अपॉन 3 रेडियन. नाउ सेकेंड एंगल इज θ2 इक्वल टू 75 डिग्री. नाउ कन्वर्ट 75 डिग्री इंटू रेडियन मेजर. सो 75 इंटू पाई अपॉन 180. अब नाउ कैंसिल करो. किससे कैंसिल हो रहा है? 15 से कैंसिल हो रहा है. 15 5 जा 75, 15 2 जा 15 1 जा 15, 15 2 जा 180. So we get pi 5 pi upon 12 radian. अब since what is given? L1 equal to L2. If two circles arcs of the same length means L1 equal to L2. L1 means R1 θ1 is equal to R2 θ2. अब now substitute value of θ1. So R1 θ1 means pi upon 3 is equal to R2 as it is, and θ2 means 5 pi upon 12. अब now cancel, pi और pi cancel, and next step R1 upon R2 is equal to 5 3 जा 15 upon 12. So therefore required ratio is to 12. Next problem. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. This is a circle and diameter is 40 centimeter. It means radius is 20 centimeter. Give name A, B and center is O. So OA is equal to 20 centimeter, OB equal to 20 centimeter, OA equal to 20 centimeter, and AB length of chord is also 20 centimeter. It means since OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. Therefore, OAB is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. So now convert into radian measure. 60 degree means 60 into pi radian upon 180. 61 is 60, 63 is 180. So we get pi radian upon 3. Question is, find the length of minor arc. Therefore, L is equal to, formula क्या होता है, L equal to r theta. R is equal to 20 and theta is equal to pi upon 3. So 20 pi upon 3 centimeter. In next lecture, we will discuss trigonometry in right angle triangle. Thank you. Have a nice day.